Hi, I'm Michael Mina. Welcome to my backyard. Today we're gonna cook some of my favorite tailgate food. Beautiful burgers, great sausages, peppers and onions. We're gonna cook it all on the grill that I designed with Sonoma. Inside my grill is the charcoal. We're gonna start by using the charcoal oven feature. We have our cast iron pan, nice and hot. We're gonna begin with a little olive oil, onions, garlic, and our peppers. Start with a little seasoning, salt and pepper. And then we're gonna take our pan and just throw it into the oven. Close our oven, remove this prep tray, and bring the next one that we need. Now what I'll do is just put our sausages on. So now we have our peppers and our onions and our sausages all cooking together. Now you check on our peppers and onions. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave our peppers and onions on top. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take our sausages, pop them right in the pan with our peppers and onions so all the juice just drips right on them. Next, we're gonna move our charcoal now. The reason we're gonna move our charcoal up is so that the burgers get a good sear on them. While we do that, we're gonna go ahead and season up our burgers. This is the Michael Mina burger seasoning that I created with Sonoma. We're gonna go ahead and just season the burger on both sides. Time to get our burgers on the grill. What that cast iron will do is give you that heat that gives you those amazing grill marks. All right, nothing is worse than a cold run. Remember our indirect heat that we use? We're gonna throw these right underneath, and we're just gonna let those toast nice and slow while our burgers cook. All right, time to flip the burgers. See the nice marks on the burger? Let's turn the prep space into a buffet space. Burgers, sausage and peppers, and now everything will stay nice and warm. All right, so I'm gonna show you a little hiding spot for your towels or your oven mitts when it's time to eat. Put them right there so you don't forget them, and you don't lose them. Time to build a burger. A little secret sauce, onions, lettuce. Beautiful. There it is, the perfect burger. You can find my Michael Mina grill at williamsonoma.com.